G'day. Today, quick cybersecurity tip, more of a stability tip for your network. Number 74, I think. So, when you've got a larger network and you're having multiple people working in it, i.e., you might have a production system. And if you've got your IT partner involved in it, then often when you're adding in additional devices, and lots of production systems are coming with their own network enablement so that they can do remote management, it's a really good idea to run by what the plan is for installation and joining it to the network with your IT service provider. We've had a couple of occasions where that step's been skipped, and as a result, there's been some downtime on the network as some of these devices have conflicted with their IP address ranges, brought on their own DHCP, also had wireless networking issues because channel conflicts, all sorts of things like that. So from a change control perspective, as you grow your business, it's worth being a little bit more formal with these things where you just go, hey, a third party wants to put something into our network. I need to run this by our trusted advisor at Vertec and make sure that it's not going to be an issue, and if there is, that it's taken care of reasonably swiftly. Otherwise it can be a bit of a surprise, which becomes a bit of a pain. Alrighty, that's my tip for today. Hope you have a good one. Enjoy your weekend. Cheerio.